let's do a 5-minute full body workout. Starting with jumping jacks. Seconds of those. Let's go. We got this. Next exercise is knee drives. You'll see it'll flow seamlessly right into those knee drives. Ready? Let's get it. Knee drives to either side, 30 seconds. We got this. Making sure you focus on driving that knee strong every time. And when you're raising your arms, you're working out your arms as well. Let's go. 30 seconds. Nearly halfway there. Finished. Into some jump squats. Down into a squat, up into a jump. Down into a squat, up into a jump. Slow and controlled. Making sure you're getting that squat down. Great job, guys. Into side-to-side lunges. Down to one side, up, down into the other. Up, up. And you can do a little pulse like I'm doing, it helps. Great job. Great. Now into a squat and calf raise. Down into a squat, up into a calf raise. Squat, calf raise. You're gonna start to feel it for sure, but push through. Into a deadlift kickback now. Deadlift stance down with a straight back. Into the first leg, kick back. Down into a deadlift, kick back. Deadlift, kick. Making sure you're clenching and holding on each kickback. Now into high knees, wide arms. High knees, wide arms. High knees, a high knee every time. Keep it going. We are so close, guys. We got this. Now into a squat and deadlift combo. Down into a squat, straight into a deadlift. Down into a squat, straight into a deadlift. You will feel this, guys. Keep it strong. We got one more combo after this and we're done. All right now, guys, into a classic plank. Down into a plank. Holding that one for 15 seconds. And then up, straight up into a high plank, mountain climbers for the remainder of the 30. Back down into our plank. And then some more mountain climbers because we missed the half-minute mark there. It happens sometimes. For the rest of the 30, keep going strong. Finish strong, guys. Mountain climbing each time. Come on. Really push. We got this together. And that is time, guys. Another 5-minute workout complete. Low to medium intensity for this one. You can see I'm out of breath. It definitely hit me. It's a great start. I hope you guys love this one, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay healthy, fit, golden, beautiful. I love you guys infinitely, and I will see you then.